Got stubborn limescale on your shower? Here's how to get rid of it fast. Pour about 10 fluid ounces of water into a spray bottle, add 1 fluid ounce of starch and 1 drop of dish soap, then pour in 1 fluid ounce of vinegar. Close the bottle and gently mix. Spray the shower enclosure where you see white buildup, wait a moment. Then rinse everything with water. The limescale disappears as if by magic. Pour coarse salt down the drain. Once you find out what it does, you'll want to try it today. It's better than 100 plumbers. Take a bowl and pour in a cup of cold water. Add 2 tablespoons of any dish soap. The soap breaks down grease and blocks access to food residues. Now add 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. Salt has antibacterial properties, absorbs moisture, and neutralizes odors. This amount is enough to get the desired effect. Mix everything well until the salt partially dissolves and starts to activate. Use a funnel to pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Spray it into all your drains, in the kitchen, bathroom, and shower. Let me explain how it actually works. This simple homemade solution helps you get rid of tiny drain flies. But that's not all. It also works great against ants and cockroaches. That's because the salt and soap create an environment that dissolves organic residue and forms a natural barrier that repels insects. Regular cleaning alone isn't enough. This simple mix will solve the problem for good, without chemicals and without expensive service calls. Pour half a cup into the shower head, and all the built-up dirt will flow out. Limescale on the shower head is a problem that appears in most homes. It not only looks unsightly, but also reduces the water flow, making showers less comfortable. Hard water leaves a white deposit that builds up both outside and inside the shower head. You don't need to reach for expensive cleaners. Home remedies are effective, inexpensive, and eco-friendly. If you notice the water stream getting weaker, unscrew the shower head and pour about half a cup of vinegar inside. Close it and leave it for a few hours. The vinegar will dissolve the limescale, disinfect, and remove bacteria. Then run a strong stream of water to restore full flow. If you don't want to remove the shower head, prepare a plastic bag with a 1-to-1 mixture of water and vinegar, submerge the shower head, and tie it securely. After a few hours, simply scrub the surface clean. Regular cleaning will keep your shower head in great condition and make showers enjoyable again.